Well, conditions really couldn't be any better here tonight. A very warm welcome to you on this fine evening. I'm Guy Mowbray and Sue Smith is alongside me for commentary, and the excitement levels are high for the start of a new La Liga season. It's Athletic Bilbao facing Atletico Madrid.
Well, the atmosphere is so loud and there's a real buzz in and around the stadium. The fans are looking forward to the new season and what they could achieve. 3 points would be a great start today, though.
Sanchez, DeMarcos, Iñaki Williams, Sanchez, Alexander Sørloth, Antoine Griezmann, Lino, Julian Alvarez, in the right position to cut out the pass. Griezmann, Julian Alvarez, Vivian, Alex Berenguer, Sanchez, Williams. Not forcing the issue, moving the ball nicely. They might have to regroup here, having lost the ball. Little careless there as the ball changes hands.
This is a message for Andy Scotland. That's Andy Scotland. Can you please return to your vehicle immediately? Thank you.
Alvarez. Sanchez. Atletico have it back now. Sloppy on the ball there. Behind it goes for a corner. Maybe the moment to take the lead. Well, not quite fully away here. And the flag's up. Offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching. Needs to be more alive. You've got to work harder to stay onside.
Jimenez, Lino, Julian Alvarez, Griezmann now, Samuel Lino, and superb technique to get past his man. The defence does its work. They've lost it now. Julian Alvarez.
There will be a minimum of 1 minute of added time.
Alex Berenguer. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close.
Now, please remind you that racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium and may face
Off we go for the
prosecution.
second half with nothing to separate them. Iñaki Williams. Sanchez. Griezmann. A move of real promise now. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. Alexander Sørloth. Williams. Sørloth. Alex Berenguer. DeMarcos. Iñaki Williams. Alexander Sørloth. Untidy in possession. And Atletico come away with the ball. Alvarez. Sanchez. Iñaki Williams. Surlot. Julian Alvarez. Big chance here. And it's in! The wait for a goal is over!
Goal for Atletico.
Well, here's the
Number
replay.
12.
What a run this is. They just couldn't get anywhere near him. And then he manages to keep his cool at the end and finishes it off well.
Well, an exciting climax to an exciting game. But is there enough time left for a response? Julian Alvarez. Can they take advantage here? Time could be the enemy. They could level it here. Pass cut out. What can they do now? It's there! Time running out, and they've got the goal that draws them level.
Well, here's the replay.
Goal for
It's a good
Athletic Club
finish.
Bilbao.
You've got to praise the
Number
pressing from the
15.
front. It's relentless. And once they nick the ball, they weren't going to miss from there.
So it's 1-1 as the ball gets rolling again. There could be a chance to win the game here. But that's where any chance of anything developing disappears. Nico Williams. And the whistle sounds. We've got another half an hour to play. So away we go again for the first period of extra time. Moving it nicely, waiting for the chance to get themselves in front. Nico Williams, opportunity here. It's cleared, they can breathe easier. Iñaki Williams. And away, they've got it clear. Now, there could be something on in a moment. To put them ahead. And they've scored. And that's what the crowd here has come to see.
Well, here's the replay. And
Goal
you
for
have to give
Athletic
credit
Club
to the assist.
Bilbao.
It's a cheeky
Number
little
9.
backheel to set up the opportunity. But then there's still plenty to do, to be fair. He's hit it with lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a really good strike.
Angel Correa. Well, there we are. The first half of extra time is over. So 15 more minutes as we enter the second period of extra time. Angel Correa. Lino. Alvarez. Okay. A really good interception to take the ball.
Well, the atmosphere's brilliant, isn't it? It feels like it's just gone up a notch too. There's not long left now, and I just wonder, can they see it out?
Not so much given away, he's cleverly won. Alvarez. On to Correa. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points.
Yeah, both teams give absolutely everything. There was a real intensity to the game, but I think the moments of quality just give them the edge, and they deserve the results.